Hi, friends. Want to learn English easily, like a baby? Today, we'll hear a fun story about a thirsty crow. Let's start right now. Welcome to Learn English Like a Baby, your podcast for simple English. This is where I help you talk step by step, just like kids do. If you missed my daily routine episode, it's great. Check it later. Today, we are telling a story with easy words, like, I see, it flies. Ready? Here we go. Let's start the story. Picture this. I see a crow. The crow is black. The crow is thirsty. It wants water. It flies high. It looks down. Say this with me. The crow is thirsty. Easy, right? Now, the crow has a problem. It sees a pot. The pot has water. The water is low. The crow tries to drink. It can't reach. What about you? Think of something, like, I see. Say it out loud. Then, the crow gets smart. It sees small stones. It picks one stone. It drops the stone into the pot. The water goes up. The crow drops more stones. The water is high now. Try this. The crow drops stones. You are doing great. Finally, the crow wins. It drinks the water. The crow is happy. It flies away. The pot is full. The day is good. Say this. The crow is happy. See? You can tell a story too. That's a story, friends. Today, you learned easy words, like, I see. It drinks. The crow is happy. It's simple and fun, just like a baby learns. Keep practicing every day. You'll talk English soon. Like this podcast? Subscribe now, tap the bell, and tell me in the comments. What do you see every day? See you next time. Keep going. You are amazing.